Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through initial app setup for the Narwal Freo Pro. If you're interested in this product, be sure to shop the link in the video description. So on our mobile device, we have the Narwal app downloaded. We've signed in and created our account. We're at the screen where we can view all of our lovely Narwal devices. In the top right-hand corner, there's a plus icon. We're going to select that. And now we can choose our product from this list, or we can fire up our camera and scan a QR code, which we're going to scan right there on our vacuum. And now it's going to take us right into device setup, so we can select next. We need to connect to our Wi-Fi network. Make sure you're connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, as this only supports 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. After we hit next, it's working on scanning for our device right here. Please keep your phone screen on and get as close to the device as possible. Now it's connecting to the device and the device to the network.
Please wait.
We got a voice prompt there. Power button light has changed colors. We just sit back and wait.
Network connected.
Got another voice prompt. Everything's connected. We'll wait for the app to update. There we go. Agree and proceed. And here we go. Everything is loading for the first time. Ours was loading for a solid 20-25 seconds. And while I was filming that, this popped up so we can do a version upgrade. I highly recommend upgrading your firmware and always keeping it up to date by turning on auto update. So we're going to do that now. So I thought it was interesting that during the update process, it let us do it with the vacuum out here. Well, eventually it caught up to us after it already had finished going to 100%. So I had to put it back in the station, and now it's going to properly update the firmware. So go ahead, just leave it in the station as you should to make sure it's got enough battery and power to conduct the update. So we hit 80% in the vacuum, just rebooted. Update successful. Now we'll wait for the app to catch up. There we go. We can go back out, and that's it. We're in the app. This is what you get right when you initially set up. So setup takes less than a minute if you don't do the firmware update. If you do the firmware update, expect anywhere between, like, I'd say 6 to 10 minutes, depending on how big and large it is and how your process is versus what we had here. But that's what you can expect. 1 minute app setup from nothing to having it in the app, and then a good 6 to 10 minutes, give or take, for any firmware updates. But now you're free to use your Narwal by start mapping. Hit that start mapping button, let it go out, create a map, then you can customize the map and start cleaning.